It helps people that are addicted to opiates get off of opiates, maintain a stability in their life, and they support you in this journey that you go in. Helps you get your life back in a sober manner. I was addicted for 20 plus years. I got involved in opiates out of peer pressure and fitting with my friends. So before I knew it, I was addicted. I call and text clients and then sometimes when we get sober, when us addicts get sober, it's hard to talk to our families. So I'm that extra support person that really can let some of that stuff out because we carry so much on our shoulders when we're addicts, and we need to get that stuff out so that we can move on and heal and be a better person. I didn't realize I needed the help that I needed until I was in the program. If a family member had somebody that was addicted and wasn't ready for the program, just to have the information, to be educated in the information on the VODP program, because when they're ready for help, that's when you can jump in and you can have that information ready for them and say, hey, I heard of this program, you know, it's right up your alley, it's what you need, let's try this program. You know, it would be really good.
Together, we do amazing things every day.